Imagine walking through a hallway and suddenly... Welcome back to our Halloween DIY prop series. Today we'll show you how to make this noisy tripwire booby trap. We love to use it in our haunted houses and it always belongs to our visitors' favorite effects. To build it you need a mousetrap, tape, solid cord, fishing wire, a paper clip, cardboard, a heavy base for the mousetrap like 2 dumbbells, a heavy object to hold the paper clip, airsoft BBs or little stones, even bang snaps work, and finally a metal pot. First, wrap tape around the snapping part of the mousetrap. Cut 2 small holes in the tape, one on the top right, one on the top left. Thread solid cord through these holes and attach it to the wooden base of the trap. Depending on your mousetrap model, it might help to drill holes into it. Adjust the length of the cord so that it stops the snapping part at about a 45-degree angle when triggered. Then, fix the mousetrap securely onto a heavy base. We're using 2 dumbbells and solid cord so it doesn't move when triggered. Drill another hole into the trigger of the trap and tie on a piece of fishing wire. Lead this wire downward, then forward, so the trap will be pulled from below, not from the front. Our trap has a small metal rod, which is perfect for guiding the line. Next, choose your scare location. Hallways and doorways work best. Stretch out the fishing wire across the path and cut it a little longer than needed. For safety, tie a paper clip onto the wire. Pin this clip to a piece of cardboard taped to a heavy object. This way, the clip will release instantly when triggered and nobody trips or falls. Finally, set the mousetrap, place some airsoft BBs, stones or bang snaps on the snapping part and put a pot on top. Now you're ready for the scare. The moment someone hits the wire, the trap slams the ammunition into the pot with a loud bang, where the paperclip release keeps everything safe. Optionally, you can hide the trap with a piece of cloth. And here's the finished effect in action.